Alright, so what the deal is this thing here is vapor locking mad. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to reroute this fuel line away from these stupid ass catalytic converters on this Jeep. Coming around, I'm going to go here, I'm going to loop up over, I'm going to put an actual clamp up there, and we're going to go right up in behind the transmission. Because for some reason, this thing's overheating. Alright, we're up top now. I'm going to come over top and loop around, trying to keep my high spot out. Come around. I'm going to go to this fitting. But this line has either got to be collapsed or something. Because when this thing gets hot, no fuel comes out this line. And it's not this rail, and you can't get any fuel out of here. This line's collapsing or something, and it's a fairly new line, and it's junk. But this thing's had a new computer, different coil, wires, plugs, crank position sensor, third crank position sensor, cam position sensor, computer, insulated the injectors. Everything you could throw at this thing, and a buddy of mine bought it because the guy that owned it gave up. This thing will run for an hour and quit. New fuel pump, new fuel filter, new regulator, new lines, new coil, new cam, new crank, plugs, insulated, everything. New fuel line. So we're just going to go all the way around the world and right in there. I'm just not completely sold on fuel lines in China. It just doesn't roll off the tongue right, but we're going to give it a shot. This thing here is about as straight and clean as a Jeep could be. For being an 03, 04, I'm not sure. Save you your headache here. I mean, you're not going to find a cleaner one. We got a pan, transmission pan leak, but you're not going to find another one of these in Pennsylvania. That still even resembles a Jeep, so this is kind of why we're doing what we're doing here. So when I get all this is just temporary. When I get all this done here and looped up and fastened away from this drive shaft and up over the top, I'll give you guys an update. But this is what we're doing to try to prevent this thing from vapor locking and that line getting too hot and collapsing and boiling the fuel out of it.